So welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the places that were deleted from Prodigy. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video. So the first one is probably one of the most well-known ones, and that is the old arena. It was replaced with this arena in around May, April. So yeah, that's no longer in the game. It looked like this from the outside. And yeah, so it was probably deleted just because they weren't really able to add new content every single month for this. So they just resorted to making the seasons insanely long, 3 or 4 months long at a time. So yeah, that is the first one on the list, and the second one is going to be the old shipwreck shore, which was called Barnacle Cove. This one was kind of like this, except the animation is odd because, you know, it's old. It looked like this, we still got Eve. And yeah, so it's just more pirate themed than this, but yeah. So the next one is this one used to be an island that was in the game, but now it's gone, and that was Clockwork Town, which I'm pretty sure used to have this in it. We're not gonna waste any golds, but Clockwork Town looks like this. It had the boombox like it has in this, so you could play here with the boombox, and that is basically what this was on the left side of the screen. And then the fourth one that we have on the list is another pretty common one that most people know of, and that is Tower Town, which was, no, not Tower Town, Lost Island, which was replaced by Tower Town. I am bad at saying stuff. So Tower Town was like a play, Lost Island. I am just really bad at saying stuff right now. Lost Island was a place where you could go around searching for animals or pets, buddies. You couldn't capture them though. That was one of the bad things about it, but you could face evolution pets and stuff, buddies. And yeah, it was not really a place where you could do anything because there was a place where you could, all you could really do was get wood. You couldn't really get anything else. This is the map of it. I'll show you guys some other stuff because this is just pictures on Prodigy fandom. So yeah, you could base stuff by this. It wasn't deleted too long ago, as you can see, because they have the new updated version of pets here. Yeah, so it was a really big thing when it came out. Prodigy had this stuff for it. As you can see, they have the little floatlings here, which were this thing. And then the other picture is of the wood, which you could collect. I think I have some wood, but we aren't really gonna care about that, because the wood couldn't really buy you anything. That's probably one of the reasons that they got rid of this level, this island, because it wasn't really that great for the game. It was good if you just wanted to have fun or something, but not the greatest for if you were trying to get stuff. Well, actually, you used to be able to get the Trial Masters from it, or the Trial Masters boots. But yeah, that's basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.